Solid, established, trusted. CDK Global Heavy Equipment is a leading provider of dealership management solutions for heavy equipment dealerships. With complete DMS integration to all areas of your business, you'll have everything you need to run your business better, now and for the long term. Maximize your dealership with CDK.
Basically, we set it up kind of like this. As you can see out the windows here, gives full visibility to our service manager, and along with the service writer and one of the shop foremen, so they can see what's going on in the shop. They can see, the different areas. The way the shop is set up, by putting it here in the middle, you can see both directions of the shop and basically see what all the guys are doing and what's going on out there. So. Yeah, I think we said 75 to 85% of the parts by the line item are right within, we try to get them within like six, 8 steps of the parts person at the counter. That's why we have so many parts in the counter itself and with the VidMars as well as right behind us. It just allows it to be more efficient in getting parts to the customer and moving on to the next guy. Basically what we found is that the two are really correlated together. So I think a lot of it has to do with, obviously the customer's cash flow is important. So if they, the sales are up, probably their cash flow is doing really well at that particular time, and they maybe possibly buy a lot more parts. Some of that might be things, a lot of my customers like the latest, greatest things. That goes for equipment as well as parts. So we probably see a lot more sales on newer trinkets, newer stuff, when maybe the farm economy is a little better than it is maybe current state. Another thing is customers, a lot of times when things are a little more down, there's a more downturn in the farm economy, they maybe try to get by with something that'll last a little longer. It's where things are a little bit better. Okay, it's a little worn, we'll go ahead and replace it. Now it might be, okay, it's a little worn, but it's not clear worn out. It still does have some function, so we'll go ahead and run it. So that's kind of the correlation we found.